Welcome back to 2 Minute Tuesday. We show you something in the sound and graphics industry in 2 minutes or less. And today we're going to show you how to add a cut line using Roland DG Connect. So put 2 minutes on the clock. Let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is just go to connect.rolanddg.com. This will already be set up once you set up VersaWorks 7, so you should already have an account. If you don't, look at the other video we made as well. But you're going to go into the side here. You're going to click Designer. This is going to open up. It's going to give you some new features on here. You can just get those out of the way. New design, basic design, whatever size you're going to want this. We'll just leave it as A4 for the sake of the video. Bring in whatever file you're going to use. For this one, we're just going to use the Wensco logo. We'll make it fit within the screen here. And then all you're going to do is come over to here on the contour side and click Cut Contour. And if you didn't want it to cut directly onto the letters, you could go up here and undo that. Click this again. We could hit Cut Contour and we could put whatever offset that we wanted. We'll do 1 millimeter for this sake, and we'll click Cut Contour, and it's already done. That's how easy it is to add a cut contour. From here, you could go up at the top and click this print button and send it to your printer. The other option would be save as PDF if your printer was connected to Roland DG Connect. So hopefully this video is helpful. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.